Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable speech recognition on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down on this page, you want to select the ease of access tile. And then on the left side, going down underneath interaction, select where it says speech. And then on the right side where it says turn off speech recognition, we're going to go ahead and just toggle that to the off position. And that's all you would have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.